Hi my beautiful people, it is your darling Dion. Guys, today I have decided to cook ugali and some sugar here, so I want to eat it. It has been long without eating ugali, so today I have said I must make some small ugali for myself. Yeah. And this eggs looks more. Can I show you my ugali? I've cooked ugali, as you can see, guys. See, so amazing, so amazing. Today I'm gonna enjoy eating ugali. So guys, I'm done. Hey, na nimepika mayai mbili na inaonekana mingi. Hii kama nitamaliza hii actually. Hey guys. So guys, I'm done. Let me show you my ugali. So let me serve myself. Yes, let me sit here. So guys, it is now time to pray before I start eating. Okay, let's pray together. Almighty Father, bless this food before I eat. I got strength to serve you, strength to work, good health. In your name I pray. Amen. Now start eating. Guys, has been long without eating ugali. So today I have said I must make some ugali. You can see here some ugali. Let me show you. So guys, let me eat kaugali.